A lot of people ask us how we build our heat maps, and it's really using two different data sources. One is using macroeconomic data, so basically looking at data from the US Census Bureau, looking at things like median income, employment statistics, education statistics, vacancy rates at the neighborhood level, and then comparing that information to the state averages. That's one thing. But what we do is we combine that data then with MLS data, because just using US Census data would mean that our map would only update once a year. So by combining that data with MLS data, we can look at properties that are being bought and sold at the neighborhood level for each of these neighborhoods, and we can see, okay, how long was it taking for properties to sell in January versus in December? So that way, if a neighborhood is heating up a lot, or if new amenities are popping up, like a Whole Foods just moved into the area or a Starbucks just moved into the area, we can take all those factors into consideration to sort of adjust our heat map appropriately. Also, another couple of quick tips. You can break out our heat map into a few of its various facets, as you can see over here. If you want to read more about the heat map in detail, you can click this More Info button here and see our sources down here. And lastly, quick tip, if you want to see properties in a specific area and none are popping up immediately, just zoom in and you will see them right here. Thanks.